Calls tonight for Governor Cuomo to be stripped of his emergency powers, and they are coming from Republicans and Democrats.
This comes amid new revelations that the Cuomo administration intentionally undercounted COVID nursing home deaths. CBS 2's Bauman reports.
We had more deaths I saw in my life, more CPR I ever did.
A Long Island nurse spoke to us on the condition of anonymity. She says the Suffolk County nursing home where she worked last spring initially barred visitors in early March amid the pandemic, but then had to admit its first patient coming from the hospital at Governor Cuomo's directive.
I put her in a private room. I explained to her, you have to stay here for 14 days. That's the rules. And she wanted a cigarette. I said, you're not going out and having a cigarette. The next day I come walking in, and you know, the cigarette smokers were still going out. And there she is in the middle of them. Well, then it ran for the place rapid.
Critics have long accused the governor of covering up the exact nursing home COVID death toll in order to hide how state policies may have contributed. Now the Cuomo administration is under fire for comments made by Secretary to the Governor, Melissa DeRosa, to state Democratic lawmakers about information the legislature had requested on nursing home deaths.
You can't hide information because you think you could be politically hurt.
According to a transcript of the call from Cuomo's office, DeRosa explains the delay in providing information to state lawmakers, saying around when the legislature requested it in August, quote, President Trump turns this into a giant political football. He directs the Department of Justice to do an investigation into us. Basically, we froze because then we were in a position where we weren't sure if what we were going to give the DOJ or what we give to you guys was going to be used against us. DeRosa says auditing the exact numbers was a massive undertaking in the height of the pandemic.
We need to get people subpoenaed. We need to get them under oath and find out who knew what when.
They don't want to own nothing.
Friday, DeRosa tried to clarify her remarks, saying the governor's office could not fulfill the legislature's request as quickly as anyone would have liked. On the west side, Bauman, CBS 2 News.